Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, many users tap archive, okay? So for example, I'm going to tap on hold. They don't delete the message, but they tapped on archive. Maybe you've done this one as well. So to fix that, go ahead and go to menu right here at the very bottom. Now tap on archive, alright? Check archives first. Maybe the message is right here. Well, you can just go ahead and tap and hold and on archive so that it will be landed to your main page right here under your chats. Okay. So another option is by recovering deleted messages. Let's say you have deleted it entirely. Now, when you go ahead and delete this one, it will only be deleted in your end. Now, when a person chats you back or texts you back, the entire messages will be recovered. So go ahead and ask your chatmate or the person, okay, to text back. And then once done, when you open up the message, you'll be able to see all the messages. If not, as a bonus right here, go ahead over to your Facebook app. Go to the 3 horizontal lines, tap on settings right here. And then just tap on a Meta Account Center. Now go ahead and tap on your information and permissions. And then tap on export your information. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and tap on create export. Now select the profile, which is of course Facebook, and tap on export to device. Now in here, go ahead and tap on customize information. Clear all and just leave messages, right? If you want the Facebook support to send you the data as fast as possible. So just go ahead and find messages, clear all, clear all, clear all, clear, 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 clear everything. And again, just leave messages. So let's go ahead and find it. There you go. So just tap on it, tap on save, and then select the date range. It could be all time, custom, or last 6 months, 3 months, last month, or last week. And then just click on save. Once that's done, scroll all the way down, click on Start Export. All right. And after that, after a moment, you should be able to receive this specific email. All right. So just basically tap on Export Your Information. You'll be able to see a zip file, and then just click on Download. And once that's downloaded, just to find or locate the messages file, open it up, and once done, review the messages and its date. And that's how easy it is to recover deleted messages on Messenger. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.